Yeah, we're going to go ahead and do number 2 of this final exam. Which of the following statements concerning measures of central tendency is false? The median is the measure of central tendency which is often used when one discusses such things as salaries and house prices. That one is true. So I used real estate as my example in class when we used the median. So this is true. Now remember, median is the middle number. And with salaries and house prices, we're normally concerned about the middle. The mode of a set of contributions to a charity can be thought of as the usual gift. Now remember, the mode, that represents what occurs most often. And the usual gift is the gift that occurs most often. So these are the same. So this is true. The mean of a data set can be drastically altered by a few extreme values. That was true. The example I used was actually the reason why we use the median for house prices. Imagine you have that one street where you have a bunch of houses that are worth maybe $100,000, but then you have that one house at the end of the street, that big mansion, that's worth $1 million. Okay, that house is going to ruin the mean value of that street. Okay, where the middle is still going to be $100,000. So the middle represents probably the best representation of that, whereas with the mean, okay, extreme values can really mess up the average. So that one's true. Measures of dispersion can be used to improve the description of a data set given by a measure of central tendency by measuring how spread out. Okay, that word spread out was exactly what we meant by a measure of dispersion. It talked about how spread out your data values are. Could be from how spread out they are from the mean, which was the standard deviation. So that one's true. A data set can have only one mode. Well, this is the one that's false. A data set can have one mode. It can have more than one mode. It could have no mode. And in fact, you can have any sort of mode here. So you can have more than one mode. You can have no mode. So this is the one that is false.